Hey there, I thought I would share this video before you take a look at the YouTube video so you know what we're doing here. And what we want to do is, in this case, because we've been successful with plumbers and HVACs and a few other different companies as far as home services, we wanted to tackle tree services here and help out some other business owners that way. So when we take a look at who shows up in a search, we find that there's a Google guaranteed at the top, but obviously we can handle that. What we're going to look at today, though, is what's a low-cost way to use just some organic rankings and then later on add in the Google Maps and ads if necessary. So what we wind up doing is we take a look at this, and I'll go further in depth as far as what we call our billboard uh, websites that we have to drive traffic and awareness. And this one here is in position number 3, but you can see there's a whole bunch of other, obviously, from these types of companies here that are directory sites that are on here. Quite a few of them actually on this particular page just for tree service contractors. Now, the other thing too is we want to take a look at, and what we do is when we work with companies is help them get onto the maps section here as well, because there's a lot of people that would be in the maps section here. And so what we work with is on that. Now let's take a look at what happens here. We go back one page here. We can take a look at the site that you're going to see in the next video here. It's this one here, Leesburg Tree Service Contractor. And it's a landing page style here that's meant to cause people to land on it and preferably phone a company, and if they want, to get email quotes. Now, what we're also offering is an additional site here that could be used in another location, whether it might be Hamilton or Percyville or actually any other area in that particular location around here. These could be, the auxiliary or extra cities that you work in, and these are the different types of services that are offered on here. So what we're going to do right now is give you a YouTube video where we explain a little bit more about this and how we can help tree service companies, one of them anyways, in Leesburg, generate more jobs. Catch you later. If you're interested, by all means, just hit reply back.